So today we're doing an unboxing of Meghan's As Ever Lavender Honey. First thing you're greeted with is a caution to open with care, so we will definitely do that. I was super excited because I love honey, especially in my tea. If you watch Meghan's Netflix show, you can see scenes of her deep appreciation for the craft of beekeeping, so you can be confident you're getting only the best. And as you can see here, she also includes some lovely stationery in your package. Such a great touch. Now, Meghan tells us to open with care, but let me tell you, she packages your items with tons of care. I really had to dig in there, but I appreciate the extra fluff. Now look at this gorgeous packaging that gives off elegance and sophistication, but still leaves you feeling quite warm and cozy. You can tell it was made with a lot of attention and care. In fact, that's what the back label reveals. It says this honey has a soft amber glow and delicate floral notes with a beautiful finish, crafted with love for the ones you love. And there you have it, the As Ever Lavender Honey.